Now, are you hosting a party this holiday season? If you're wanting to make your place extra festive without those extra prices, we have a Smart Shopper deal of the day just for you. Party Planet is full of decorative goodies. You should head on down the Christmas aisle because you're going to find all kinds of cute things like cupcake trays, Santas and signs, chair covers, napkins and tablecloths, plates, bows, gift bags, boxes and tags, stickers, and so much more. And get this, you're going to score half off of all of that. That's right, 50% off all the Christmas, what they're calling tableware, and what's in that aisle with the label through Christmas Eve. And with every purchase, you will also get a New Year's tiara or a New Year's hat. Of course, you have to mention Smart Shopper in order to get the deal. Now, I asked about the prices. The owner told me the lowest in that section starts at $1.49, and you're getting half off of that price. The plates are around $5, same for trays, $8 for placemats. And they even have those Christmas crackers that everybody loves. Those are 10 to 20 bucks, but again, 50% off, it's hard to beat.